Dai aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever feel like AI is this black box, full of potential but impossible to pin down? Enterprises drown in AI ideas, yet struggle to figure out which ones are worth betting on. How do we even start making sense of it all? So what's the secret sauce? Meet the Dike Pilot Factory. Think of it as a super smart toolbox for enterprise AI pilots. It takes your messy pile of AI ideas, your use case pool, and helps you sort them. It asks, what's the real value here? What are the risks? Is your data ready? What governance headaches will pop up? And crucially, how do we actually deliver this thing? The magic? It spits out clear, structured reports aligned with the DIKWP framework. This isn't just theory, it's about turning vague concepts into concrete, checkable opportunities. It's like having a GPS for navigating the complex world of AI pilots, making sure you don't just wander off into the wilderness. Now, let's talk DIK. You know, data, information, knowledge, wisdom, intent. Sounds fancy, right? But it's fundamental. Raw data is just noise. Information gives context, knowledge connects the dots. Wisdom guides decisions, and intent, that's the why behind the what. The Pilot Factory OS acts like a master weaver, linking these stages. It ensures that the semantics, the knowledge base, the goals, the evidence trail, and yes, even the responsibility boundaries are all connected. Why does this matter? Because only when you have this chain of clarity can an AI system become truly transparent and auditable. It's not just about getting an answer, it's about understanding how and why that answer was reached, ensuring accountability. Think of it as building trust, step by logical step. And here's where it gets really cool. It's open source on GitHub. Why does that rock? Because it's not just a static website, it's a living, breathing project. You can see the code, track the updates, peek at the test results, read the documentation. It's like getting backstage passes to the AI development process. This transparency is huge. Need to explain your research in an academic talk? Pitch a project? Collaborate with someone? Instead of just saying, we're working on something, you can point them directly to the repo. Show them the evidence, the structure, the progress. It transforms abstract concepts into something tangible, verifiable, and shareable. It's proof in the pudding, literally baked into the codebase. So zooming out, this Pilot Factory isn't just a standalone tool. It's a vital node in the broader DWP ecosystem. Think audits, semantic firewalls, control planes. It all interlocks. The message is clear. The next wave of AI isn't just about smarter outputs. It's about smarter processes, robust evidence, and clear responsibility. This open approach, using repositories as the core of an evidence chain, is key to building AI systems we can actually govern. The takeaway? Check it out yourself. The link is right there. See how it works, see the structure. It's a glimpse into the future of accountable AI.